Good morning. So, literally, kagigising ko lang. Of course, with Tommy. Then, so ngayon, ano bang gagawin ko? Ngayon, wala. It's my off today. So, maybe makapag, vlog lang. And have bonding with this doggy. Kasi, last week busy kami because of the wedding and stuffs. So now I'm giving him time to walk around the house. Diba? So ugly, but it's fine. So kagabi, nilaban ko yung mga unan, mga kumot. Dahil si Tommy, he peed on the bed. Kaya, ayan, lahat yan. Ganyaners dyan. Ganyaners. Dahil nga, napag sila. So, today, it's my off. So, I need to things like, to fix things, to clean the house, everything. As Jozawa ko andito for like almost a month. So, hindi ako ganun nakakalinis. Kasi asikaso ako ng asawa. Do some things with him. That's fine. And then working as well. Diba? Kaya, ayun. So today is cleaning day. And fixing the house. But before anything else, I will make breakfast for myself. And I'll be right back to you guys. Hi guys! So now it's already 5:35 p.m. here in Bahrain. So still di pa rin ako naliligo. Nakapaglinis lang ako ng bahay. Nakapaglaba ng higaan, ng mga unan, ng ano ba yun? Ng comforter, nilaban ko din, linis, lahat, deep cleaning. So ayun, kaya tinamad ako magligo. So maybe around 7 maligo na ako. Tapos, I'll do my skincare routine. Diba, see? Grabe yung ano ko, eye bags ko. And of course, with my baby, Tommy! Say hi to people! Tommy! Suplado siya. Pagod na pagod. Inutusan ko kasi ligpitin yung mga laruan niya. Anyway, siya. So, I'll be right back later. I'll show you my skincare routine. Okay? So now, I'll just make a little tour in the house. Okay? So, yan. Pasok ng pinto. Actually, nagtapon lang ako ng basura. Right. So, this is our house in Bahrain. Actually, it's an apartment. So, ito ay labahan. Laundry, and then some of our Christmas stuffs are there. Cleaning materials, as well as the vacuum. Ironing board, iron is there. And first, all are there. It's like a stock room or something. And then, there is another room here, which is the toilet. Ayan lang ang toilet. With the mirror here. Yan. Then, of course, the living room, which is my favorite place, okay? Where me and Tommy are chilling, and then I just love to clean the floor because, as you can see, napaka-shiny niya, and yeah, it's marble. Ganda. I like it. I like it when it's so clean, like super clean, na parang makikita mo na yung mukha mo. Ayan. TV, we used to watch shows. I used to watch shows with Tommy. Even though, yeah, but he doesn't, I don't know if he understands, but buang But he loves to watch shows too. See, he's looking at the TV, he's checking or he's watching what they're doing. Yeah, so this one's for my husband. His chair, gaming chair and gaming table. Tommy's cage, our drinks are here. His drinks, I mean, I don't drink that much, but yeah. These are the drinks. And then, of course, snacks, bread, and our table, dining table. And then my favorite part of the house is, of course, the balcony. I cannot open. Medyo nahirap siya buksan. Dahil nga naglinis ako kanina. That's why I make sure that it's properly closed. Para hindi pumasok yung mga alikabok. Yeah, so here's the balcony. And you can see. There. That's it. That's nice, the balcony. There's a pool, and then that is the south tower. I mean, the north tower. We are in the south tower. And we have a mini grill here. And then, of course, my flowers. There you go. Tommy, no. He will bite it again for sure. Okay, and then next is the kitchen. Of course. This is my kitchen. Just a simple kitchen. Fridge, water dispenser, of course the stove, oven, microwave. Yeah. That's it. Our toilet, our stocks at the back. Yeah, that's it. That's the kitchen. Still the snowman is there. I still didn't remove it. But it's cute though. That's why I don't want to remove it. Then last thing, which is our bedroom. Okay, so ngayon hindi ko na pinapapasok si Tommy sa bedroom because naihi siya. So yeah, this is our bedroom. It's only one. Our apartment is only one bedroom. So ayan yung cupboards namin. The toilet, of course. Again, toilet. The toilet. And then my favorite part, which is my vanity. Then the bed. Whoop! Yeah, this is what I did. This is what I did earlier. I cleaned the bed. I cleaned the bed. I cleaned the floors and everything. Nothing. I just love to clean. I guess this is my hobby. Just cleaning. Like, I want to see my place good, neat, tidy. Because, sometimes I invited my friends and then, out of nowhere, you will plan to go or you will plan to, let's drink to your place, let's have dinner on your place. Kaya, ayun, I just want every time the house is clean. For my friends or for, visitors, unplanned visitors, something. So yeah, so I'm going to take a bath now and I'm gonna share you what I'm using on my face, especially my skincare routine. Since I'm working at Nature Republic, so I already pay more attention to my skin. Because they keep on saying that you should take care of your skin because it's really good. And, as long as we grow older, our skin also matures. And it sags, fine lines, wrinkles, and so on and so forth. So, yeah, I'm going to share it to you later. And hope you enjoy my vlog. Hi guys! So, ayun, morning na naman. I'm planning to make a separate video for my skincare routine. So itong vlog na to, I'm gonna post it now and I hope you enjoy my vlog. And see you on my next vlog!